Replace any ink cartridges that are low or out of ink as indicated by the blinking ink alert lights on the printer's control panel with genuine HP ink cartridges. First, power on the printer. Open the printer's exterior cover and then open the ink cartridge access door. The carriage moves to the center of the printer. Wait until the printer is idle and silent before continuing. Press down on the cartridge you need to replace to release it. Remove the cartridge from the printer and set it aside for recycling. For information about recycling your used HP cartridges, visit hp.com/recycle. Remove the new cartridge from its packaging. Use the pull tab to remove the plastic tape from the cartridge. Do not touch the copper-colored contacts or ink nozzles. Touching these can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Make sure you install the replacement cartridge in its correct slot. Tricolor on the left and black on the right. Slide the new ink cartridge at a slight upward angle into the slot, then push the cartridge towards the rear until it snaps into place. If necessary, replace the other cartridge. Close the ink cartridge access door and the exterior cover. Open the output tray extender. After 30 seconds, an alignment page prints. Lift the scanner lid. Place the alignment page with the print side down on the right front corner of the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid. Press the Start Copy Black or Start Copy Color button to scan the alignment page. Scan the alignment page within 1 minute of printing. If you do not scan the alignment page or the alignment fails, you can print a new alignment page from the HP printing software in Windows or Mac. Your printer is ready for regular use.
Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.